In today's digital world, visual content is king. Users expect more than just text. They crave interactive, media-rich experience. That's why gallery albums for BuddyPress are no longer optional. They are essential. Whether it's a social network, an e-learning community, or a business platform, users want to share and engage with photos and videos, just like they do on Facebook and Instagram. So, why does this matter? By allowing users to upload, manage, and share multimedia content seamlessly within BuddyPress profile and groups, you boost engagement, increase retention, and build a more vibrant community. But how do you add a powerful photo and video album system to your BuddyPress site? The answer is simple: Youzify. Youzify is the ultimate BuddyPress enhancement plugin, transforming profile and community engagement with advanced media sharing capabilities. With Youzify, you bring your community to life, boosting interaction, keeping users engaged, and making your platform stand out. Want to learn more? Check out our latest article on the blog and take your BuddyPress community to the next level.